This is a part of the secondary combustion chamber. Where you can see this one, the paint is the Jotun, famous brand Jotun, and then the painting is heat resistant painting. Can withstand up to 600 degrees, and the color is silver. Color silver. Inside you can see these sparrows. These are for the refractory crustables afterwards. This is a manhole. This is for Hungarian mold group. Hungarian oil and gas.